Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you what is quite literally the simplest and most foolproof way to use Binance. Now, as most of you probably already know, Binance is currently the world's largest and most trusted cryptocurrency exchange. It can look a bit intimidating at first glance with all those charts and numbers, but don't worry. I'm going to break it all down for you today, step by step. First off, let's look at the very first step, signing up. If you look right below this video in the description box or even in the pinned comment section, you'll see a specific registration link. Go ahead and click that now to go straight to the Binance sign up screen. Now, here is a massive reason to use that specific link. If you access the site through it, you're going to receive a permanent 50% fee payback. And get this, another $600 in rewards will be applied to your account at the same time. It's basically the best way to kickstart your portfolio with extra capital just for joining. All right, once you're on that page, let's create the account. You can proceed with signing up using either your primary email or your mobile phone number, whichever you prefer. Go ahead and enter that email address now. Once you've done that, make sure you look toward the bottom and check that box for the terms and conditions agreement. Then just hit that big continue button. Now, just hang tight for a second. A 6-digit verification code is being sent to your email or phone as we speak. Go ahead, open your inbox, grab that code. It should be there instantly, and type it right back into the boxes on your screen. Next up is your password. This is super important for your security, so listen closely. It has to be at least 8 characters long. It needs to have at least one number, and you absolutely must include at least one uppercase letter. Great, your account is officially created. If an inviter code screen pops up, just double check that the code is filled in so you get those rewards, and you're all set. Okay, moving right along to step 2. Next, we need to handle the KYC, or Know Your Customer, identity verification. I know, it sounds a bit like boring paperwork, but you actually have to complete this if you want to be able to deposit money, withdraw your profits, or do any serious trading. It's all about keeping the platform safe for everyone. Since this part includes a facial scan, it's much easier to do this on your mobile phone. So let's switch gears for a moment. Go ahead and install the Binance app on your smartphone if you haven't already. Once you launch it and log in with the account we just made, the app will actually take you directly to the verification screen. First, just confirm your nationality. Then you'll need to choose an ID card to proceed. You can use your national ID, a driver's license, or even a passport. Honestly, they usually process these in about 5 minutes, so just grab whichever one is closest to you right now. Select Take Pictures as your method and click Continue. Just make sure you're in a well-lit room for this part. Take a clear photo of the front and the back of your ID, making sure the edges fit perfectly into that camera frame. Once the ID is done, it's time for the face scan. Just fit your face into that oval frame on your screen and follow the little prompts. It might ask you to blink or turn your head. Once that's finished, just double check your name, date of birth, and address. Select your occupation and industry from the list, and you're good to go. The review takes about 5 minutes, and you can see your verified status on your profile screen. All right, you're verified. But before we put even a single dollar in, we have to lock the door. Let's set up two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This is your digital deadbolt. Let's head back over to your PC screen for this. Look at the left-hand menu under Account and click on Security. You'll see an option for Authenticator App. Go ahead and click Manage right next to it. When you click Enable, Binance will send a quick verification code to your email or phone just to make sure it's really you. Type that in, and a QR code window will pop up. Stop right there and leave that on your screen. Now grab your phone and download the Google Authenticator app. Once it's installed, click Open and then hit Get Started at the bottom. I recommend clicking Use without signing in for extra security. Now tap that to add a code button in the middle and select Scan a QR code. Point your phone camera at your PC screen, scan that QR code, and boom, a 6-digit Binance OTP code will be generated on your phone. Go back to your computer, hit next, and enter those 6 digits from the app into the Binance site. Hit submit, and you're officially protected. Your Google OTP is now activated and ready to go. And that is it. That concludes our complete tutorial on how to sign up for Binance the right way. If you found this walkthrough helpful today, please leave a like